Hello guys, how you doing? This is Alexandros from the Island of Cyprus, and I know this is a weird video the way I start, but I found an old little video of Dominican Bachata I did with Andrea here, and we filmed it on a mobile, so sorry for the quality, but I thought you might like it because it has some musicality footwork on the guitar. We just did it at like 3 in the morning for about an hour and a half to make it, just for our students, the next class, the next month. And we never did it since, so I found it now. I thought you guys might like it, so here it is.